नवीन कुमार जी आएंगे। 324 रैंक है। राजस्थान के झुंझुनू जिले से है, वहाँ में भी एक छोटे से गांव से है। बीटेक किया हुआ है आईटी, 4th अटेम्प्ट था। पॉलिटिकल साइंस ऑप्शनल था और पिछले साल उनकी सीएपीएफ से भी सिलेक्शन हो चुकी थी। उनके फादर का खुद का कोई उद्योग व्यवसाय है और माताजी गृहिणी है। नवीन कुमार 324 रैंक।
Good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to Dharmadhikari sir for their feedback in interview guidance program. And because of sir, I am able to improve my score, and sir, what sir had predicted the score for me in the interview, almost the same score I got in the final score also. So because of sir's guidance, I feel very motivated during the interview. I am able to perform up to my level best. Further, I would say to you that UPSC Civil Service Examination is a long process, so prepare yourself for that hard work for either be 2-3 years, and stay motivated. Try to do your level best, because UPSC's journey itself going to change you in either in a positive or in any other way. And have faith in yourself. Success may be delayed to you, but cannot be denied if you are working in the right direction with the right guidance of Dharmadhikari sir. In the end, I hope and pray for you to see in the services soon. Thank you.